Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating and bold idea from Senator Cynthia Lummis. What if the US Treasury converted some of its gold reserves into Bitcoin? Could this be the key to modernizing America's financial strategy and securing its place in the digital economy? Let's break it all down. Let's start with the proposal itself. Wyoming Senator Cynthia Lummis has suggested that the US Treasury convert part of its massive gold reserves into Bitcoin. Currently, the United States holds over 8,000 tons of gold, the largest reserve in the world. But here's where it gets interesting. Instead of spending a staggering $90 billion to buy Bitcoin outright, the Treasury could convert its gold certificates into Bitcoin, essentially swapping assets without affecting the balance sheet. It's a creative workaround that could make this plan financially feasible without adding debt or disrupting gold reserves. So, why Bitcoin? Senator Lummis argues that Bitcoin could act as a strategic hedge against inflation and rising national debt, issues that have been front and center for American families. With Bitcoin's scarcity and decentralized nature, it offers a potential safeguard against traditional financial instability. Her proposal: the U.S. Treasury could acquire 5% of Bitcoin's total supply, or about 1 million BTC, and hold it as a long-term reserve. At today's prices, that's roughly $90 billion. Critics might call this ambitious, but Bitcoin advocates like Anthony Pompliano point out that the U.S. national debt increased by $850 billion in just 90 days. A fraction of that could secure a substantial Bitcoin reserve. Of course, a plan this bold doesn't come without challenges. Here are the big ones. Volatility. Bitcoin's price swings are legendary, and relying on such a volatile asset for a reserve could be risky. Political resistance. Let's face it, Bitcoin remains controversial. Convincing lawmakers to shift from traditional gold reserves to cryptocurrency will be an uphill battle. Market impact. Acquiring 5% of Bitcoin's total supply could drive up prices significantly, making Bitcoin less accessible for smaller investors. Even industry leaders like Mike Novogratz are skeptical. He believes Bitcoin's price could soar to $500,000 if the US established a reserve, but doubts whether such a plan would materialize, especially under the incoming Trump administration. Why is this idea gaining traction? It's not just about hedging against inflation. It's about staying competitive in the global economy. Countries like El Salvador and Russia have already explored using Bitcoin as a reserve asset. Advocates argue that if the U.S. wants to maintain its leadership in the financial world, establishing a Bitcoin reserve could be a strategic move. Bitcoin's scarcity and decentralized nature make it an ideal long-term store of value, one that could complement, not replace, traditional assets like gold. So, is Senator Lummis onto something revolutionary? Or is this just a risky gamble? While converting gold reserves into Bitcoin could secure America's financial future, it also comes with challenges that can't be ignored. But one thing's for sure, the idea has sparked an important debate about how the U.S. should navigate the future of money and technology. What do you think? Should the U.S. Treasury embrace Bitcoin as a reserve asset or stick with traditional gold? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. This video is for informational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute financial, legal, or investment advice. Always do your own research or consult a professional before making any financial decisions. And hey, if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on Bitcoin, crypto, and the future of finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.